how to add and use effects on your voice audio on Audacity. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add filters and effects to your voice audio on Audacity. So all what you have to do is open your file from here. Now after you open your file, all what you have to do here is so simple. Just select the part that you want to add the filter in, or you can choose all the audio like this. Now click here on effect and go down, and here you will find many effects as you can see. Choose the effect that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose echo. Now choose the delay time. I'm gonna choose 4 and here 8 and click preview. How to media. This is just a test audio. As you can see, it's very good. Now if you want to add, for example, let's say reverb. How to media. This is just, let's make it more. How to media. This is just a test audio. It's actually very good. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck everyone with your Audacity. See you later.